Criminal smuggling networks operate with the same efficiency as legitimate ride services, employing scouts, lookouts, and well-timed pickups to move people undetected.
¿De dónde cruzaron?
Both have a price, but only one ends with handcuffs instead of a fare.
Who are all those people? They're homeboys. Homeboys?
On March 20th, 2025, in Maverick County, DPS Troopers stopped a vehicle after observing a few individuals appear from the brush and into the vehicle.
I'll be 10-6 with the vehicle on this location. It just loaded up.
Sálgase del mueble. Get out of the car. You have weapons with you?
Oh, no weapons.
Secure everybody.
Why are you arresting me?
Right.
Why am I being arrested?
Who are all those people?
They're homeboys.
Homeboys?
Not my homeboys.
All right.
Listen,
I'm gonna sit you in the car and then we'll talk.
can I light my cigarette, please?
What do you have? Knife?
There's a knife and food. On my wallet.
Okay. ¿Ustedes apenas acaban de cruzar?
Sí.
Porque tienen ramas, tienen todo. Están manchados. ¿De dónde cruzaron?
No sabemos.
¿No sabemos? ¿No saben? ¿Nomás eran tres?
Sí.
Ok. ¿Nomás eran tres? Ok. ¿No tienen armas? ¿No tienen nada? No. Ok. ¿Se puede subir uno?
The three illegal immigrants from El Salvador and Mexico were handed over to the U.S. Border Patrol. The man later admitted to being paid $1,000 to smuggle each person. He was arrested and charged with smuggling of persons.
Who are all those people?
They're homeboys.
Homeboys?
Not my homeboys.
Want to see more videos showing local law enforcement support in the fight to keep our borders safe? Just click on any of the thumbnails that pop up on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.